So check out this tiny 4K action camera from VIDCASTIVE that actually has a screen on the back. This thing can shoot in portrait or landscape with just a click of a button and switching it from vertical to landscape. It's small and lightweight, it's magnetic, and it has Wi-Fi to connect to the app. There's a USB-C slot for charging, and it supports micro SD cards up to 256. It does come with one, which is really handy, a 64 gigabyte one, which is perfect for most needs. It's IP65 splash resistant. It's not waterproof, so don't take this underwater. But one of the biggest benefits of the system is all the gear that you get with it. You get this mount right here for clipping it on your clothes or clipping it anywhere, but I love it. If you want to wear it like a body camera, you could do it that way, or even just like right here if you want to shoot it in vertical. It has this mount right here that goes to action fingers, so you can mount this onto any action point that you might have already, or use some of the ones that come with it, which we'll look at here in a second. It has one with a quarter thread on the bottom, so you can attach it to any normal selfie stick if you need to, but it also does come with a quarter thread to action mount, so you can use this as well to mount it onto those action mounts that you might have. It has a little clip hat mount, so you can pop this thing in there and, you know, clip it to your hat if you want to. I love this one to get like that POV shot from the hat, or you could flip it upside down and wear it like this. And then it also comes with a magnetic backing, so you could pop this thing on and there you go. You can just put this thing on anything metal, it stays, and they also do include a lanyard, so you can pop it right on there. I love these kind of lanyards, so you could wear it underneath your shirt, a little bit more incognito. You can tighten this thing as well if you need to, get it a little bit tighter, like that. Put it under your shirt, and then you can put this thing on, whether you're shooting it in vertical or landscape. They do include those action mounts and ones where you can put adhesive at the bottom, so you can put that to any of your boards or maybe your helmet or something like that. Even just a regular action clip mount there with adhesive for that. Even has a different direction mount, so you can change the direction of your shot if you need to, and a handlebar mount, which is very handy. Also comes with a USB-C cable to charge and a micro SD to USB to be able to transfer your video files if you need to. And because it's magnetic, you can also put it on your lanyard without using that magnetic mount if you didn't want to use that one. So it does stick like that. It's a little bit stronger in my opinion with this mount, the magnetic one, but if you like if you're in a pinch and you want to use it like that, you can. So we can power this thing on, and I've never seen the small one like this have a screen. So it shows you, there it is right there, little chime on it. And the menu is pretty simple to navigate through. It's not touchscreen, but you can hit the menu button, and then you can use these buttons here to navigate one side or the other. There's two buttons at the top, and then you can use the front button to select that. So if we want to do video, we can select video, and then you can hit the front button to start recording. And this is what the footage actually looks like. It's just like a great wearable camera if you're just trying to get some cool POV shots of your day, you know, just quick action shots if you need to. You can also go into the settings here and adjust more. You can set up loop recording if you want to use this as like a dash cam. You can also have time lapses. You can have just take pictures if you want to. But all in all, it's just really easy to navigate. It's a very small camera. It looks really cool in my opinion, and I've never seen one this small have a screen on it, which is very handy. So highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.